It's like, I know I didn't do anything wrong, yet no one would listen to me at YouTube. Long time no see. I've been going through some things, not in my life, not in my personal life, but with YouTube. Let me just get right into it. June of 2018, I got an email that said something about I needed to reset my password, blah, 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 to confirm it was you, da, 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 da. So something like, I can't really remember word for word because that's like almost a year ago. Of course I know not to click on links or whatever like that to see if it was fake. I know not to click on links. So I don't think I clicked on a link. I actually went straight to YouTube and did what I was supposed to do as far as resetting my password. But anyways, shortly after that, I can't remember how long it was. It wasn't too long after that. I got an email from YouTube stating, let me pull it up here. This was in June of 2018. This is May of 2019. We'd like to inform you that due to repeated severe violations of our community guidelines, your YouTube account, beginning new, has been suspended. After a review, we determined the activity on your account violated our community guidelines, which prohibit spam, scam, or commercially deceptive content. Please be aware that you are prohibited from accessing or possessing or creating any other YouTube accounts. For more information about account terminations and how our community guidelines are enforced, please visit our help center. Yeah. And I believe this is the first one. I can't remember, but I'm thinking this was the first one. So, knowing me, I'm thinking I didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't do anything. So this should be easy. I'm going to go and appeal. And, after however long it takes them, they're going to, bring back my account. I sent an appeal. They sent me a response back the day later stating that after reviewing, I can't remember word for word, but after reviewing it, whatever, we decided to keep it suspended or terminated or whatever they said. And, I got like really upset. And then I tried to do it again. I tried to appeal again, but it said that I had already sent the appeal and that I couldn't do it again or something like that. But then I saw online, I started searching YouTube, different videos. I saw that you could appeal, I think every 2 weeks. So that's what I did. I was appealing my butt out for a while there. For like at least the first 4 months, I was just appealing every 2 weeks. And I would get the same response back. When I was appealing, I was also, trying to get some information about what it was that I did. They kept sending me this generic message about the same one I just read, basically. And so I did some more research. I found some guy's YouTube channel where he mentioned YouTube flaggers on different social medias. And I decided to go to Reddit and see if I could reach out to one of them. I did find one. I explained my issue. And this is about, let me see. This is probably about, I can't remember for sure, but this was probably about 7 months in, maybe. I'm guessing, I can't remember. Thank goodness he was able to look into my account. At least he was able to do that and like respond back and forth with me a little bit. And he told me that if I got that Reddit post, I'm going to post it here. But basically, it was an error. Misread cache is what he said. And he said something about the system thought that a video entitled Can't Let Go by Anthony Hamilton, which is a soul R&B musician, a singer, was something I uploaded. When in fact, it was a video that I happened to see on YouTube that somebody else uploaded that I happened to just click add to playlist or watch later list that I can watch later. And that video have been sitting in there for years, along with other videos that I had. And so he stated that he's not the one that can, bring my channel back, but he had connections at the time, and that he was going to put it on a list of channels that he was going to send up so YouTube, let them know the situation and have YouTube try to resolve it. A couple days later, I'm waiting, and then I contacted him again on Reddit, and he told me to look at my my private messages, which I didn't really know how to do because I don't really use Reddit like that. Because the post I had mentioned in Reddit about my issue was like everyone can see it. It was a community post. But I got into my messages and I saw that a couple of days before he had stated that he no longer, I guess, could send issues up to YouTube. I don't know. I think it was because he wasn't in that position anymore or something. I don't know. But he could no longer do it. So all of the videos, not videos, but all of the channels that he believed were actual issues that he was going to send up, he couldn't do them. There's nothing he could do. He couldn't send them up. So now I was just sitting in limbo, and it's like I kept sending appeals, kept getting the same message back. I even mentioned to them this whole one of the YouTube flaggers, I did this, I said this to them, and this is what they said. I sent messages saying, look into the cache. If you're saying that you're closing my channel because of, that video or whatever, it's an issue. And I told them what the problem was that was mentioned to me by the other YouTuber flagger. And I kept getting the same messages back for months. Crazy. It's like, I know I didn't do anything wrong, yet no one would listen to me at YouTube. Let's just, fast forward all the way until this week. Today is Saturday, tomorrow's Mother's Day. Out of the blue, because I hadn't did it in maybe a month and a half. Out of the blue, I'm like, let me look into my suspended channel and see if I can send another appeal or maybe something different. And what I decided to do was, what did I do? I sent an appeal. That's what I did. I sent another appeal. Same information as before. But then I also went to, because when I log into my channel, I can still log into my beginning new channel. At this time, I could still, log into the beginning new channel. But when I logged in, it wouldn't let me see videos. My videos, it was basically, your account is suspended, you have any issues, You can also go to this community section. So I went to the community section, and I saw some posts that other people having issues with suspended accounts and other issues. I said, okay, let me post on this so that everyone can see my post and hopefully something can happen. I wasn't like getting my hopes up too high, basically. But I posted something, and I'll post what I sent on here so you can see what I posted. And that was on Monday. Normally they get back to me same day. The latest they got back to me is like 3 days as far as appeals. So after that post on the community section, I waited 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I woke up today, Saturday, and I looked at my email, and it said something about so-and-so has claimed some type of song credit for a video entitled 1 Year Anniversary. This is not a strike. Just know that either they can get, you know, credit for it because of some song or whatever, and or they're viewing, they can like check the stats for that video, which I'm going to look into that because I could have sworn I got that song off of YouTube. So yeah, let me check that out before they decide to mess up my channel again. And then I'm like, what? Why would I get this if my channel's suspended? So I log in to my channel. My channel's back. What is back? I was happy, but I was like also like scared to like do anything. I'm like, why are they? I'm happy, but it's been almost a year. So frustrating. So frustrating. I am happy that it's back. So I'll go back to my email also, and I saw an email that stated, after reviewing your channel, we decided that I'll just post the video. I mean, I'll just post the little email they sent. And so I got that, and my channel's back. I don't have any views. Well, it came back around 11:50 last night, I suppose. That's when I got that email. And I have a couple of views, but you know, it's been gone for like almost a year. So I still have my 1,144 subscribers. If you're one of those subscribers watching my video, please leave me a comment below. Letting me know you're still here, because I've gone through some mess trying to get this channel back. I got so frustrated that like I stopped doing videos. Like I've had so many like protective styles since then. I've cut my hair several times since then. I've done things. I just did what I wanted to do and just like whatever. And I never recorded anything because I got so upset with them. They just took my channel away, and it made it so frustrating because I've had this channel for almost like 10 years. And then that happened. So my only suggestion that I can give other people in this situation and your account is terminated. You literally can't give up. If you know for a fact you did nothing wrong, you literally just can't give up, no matter how long it takes, if you really want your channel back. I was sending appeals every 2 weeks for the first 4 months or so. It slowed down some because like I was just living life, because I'm like, ugh, they ain't gonna never send it back. But I would randomly send an appeal throughout the year. Like I would just randomly do it. Try to get as much detail as possible. See if you can find a YouTube flagger on social media accounts. When I went to Reddit again, I couldn't really find anyone on there anymore that was like active, but I believe they're on like Twitter and other places. So look into that. Go log into your suspended account, go to the community section, and see, as long as you have as much information as possible. Go to that and post make a post about your situation, and just hope that somebody responds. I don't even know if they ever responded to that because I never went back and looked. But for my subscribers that are already subscribed to me, I'm going to make a couple videos today, and hopefully I can post them today. I'm going to do maybe a hair update for my natural hair people that's been watching me. I'm going to do a skin update from when I was doing the laser hair treatment. I'm going to do a brace update. And yeah, so you should see those. So stay tuned. And if you haven't, please subscribe. Please thumb up this video. You go ahead and share it, especially if you have somebody you know that has a suspended account and they seem like they can't get their account back. Send this video to them. Let them watch it. Have them try some of the things I tried. And hopefully they'll get their channel back. Until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.